Most people get this wrong when choosing HVAC software. They focus on flashy features and modern dashboards. But here's the truth, no one tells you. The software that grows your business isn't always the one with the prettiest interface. It's the one that helps you manage operations, technicians, customers, and cash flow more effectively. In this video, we're reviewing Successware in 2026 and answering the big question: is it actually worth it for HVAC companies? We'll cover its key features, strengths, weaknesses, and who should consider using it. Let's get straight into it. Successware is an HVAC-focused business management platform designed to help contractors handle scheduling, dispatching, customer management, invoicing, accounting, and reporting from one system. Unlike some newer field service apps, Successware focuses heavily on operational control and business management. For many HVAC companies, that's a major advantage. Imagine Jake owns an HVAC company with 10 technicians. Every day he's juggling service calls, maintenance agreements, invoices, and payroll. Successware aims to centralize those moving parts so the business runs more efficiently. But here's the problem. Many business owners only evaluate software based on scheduling features. Scheduling is important, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. Successware stands out because of its deeper business management capabilities. It combines field operations with financial tracking, customer history, and reporting tools. This gives owners a clearer view of profitability and performance. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of the strongest areas of Successware is its reporting and operational visibility. Instead of guessing how the business is performing, managers can review key metrics and make informed decisions based on actual data. That's a huge benefit for growing HVAC companies. In a minute, I'll explain where Successware may not be the best fit. First, let's talk about ease of use. Compared to some newer cloud-first platforms, Successware can have a steeper learning curve. New users may need more training before they become fully comfortable with the system. This is where most people fail. They underestimate implementation. Even great software requires time to learn. The businesses that get the most value are the ones willing to invest in setup, training, and process improvements. For larger HVAC operations, that investment often pays off. Better scheduling, improved customer tracking, and stronger financial reporting can save significant time and reduce costly mistakes. However, if you're a solo technician or very small contractor, Successware may offer more functionality than you currently need. Simpler platforms could be easier and faster to adopt. So is Successware worth it for HVAC companies in 2026? For established HVAC businesses that want robust operational management, reporting, dispatching, and financial visibility, Successware remains a strong option. For very small teams looking for simplicity, other platforms may be a better fit. The key takeaway is simple. Successware isn't just field service software. It's a business management system designed for HVAC companies that want greater control over their operations and growth. If this review helped you, leave a comment with the size of your HVAC business, hit the like button, and subscribe for more software reviews, comparisons, and business technology guides. Thanks for watching.